welcome back to my channel. I'm with you, Seth. Hi, Seth.
Hello.
Again. So, yesterday, and I have a new friend here. What's your name?
Jerlyn.
Jerlyn. So,
Hi.
Her girlfriend siya's a writer. Hey, guys.
Hi. Father and son.
Father and son. Oh, cool. Oh, diba? Diba?
Oh, hi. Dito na mi. Hello.
Wait, it's his birthday today. Happy
Oh,
birthday.
thank you.
Special kayong birthday, bro. Oh my gosh. You have vlog, diba?
Oh, yeah. So, what's up mga lagan? So, model ako yung YouTube channel, no? Motolagan. And usually, ang ginabuhat na to is kanang mag-document lang sa mga adventures na mo. Isip
Like this, guys. Mga bikes nila, and like that. Oh!
Natog mo! Kaya kuha ko itog!
Ilisog na bebe! So we're going to Oslo kaya mag-visit na dito sa katong resort. And then mag-rides lang with them. Actually, it's my first time to try this. So follow me in this adventure and let's go! Park City.
Famous for
Very hot here. Oh, it's a long ride.
How's the lubot?
The lubot is still fine. It's already 10, so
Hindi na naman ito facing.
most of guys is still 2 to 3 hours away from here.
Man, ako mga barkada, ma!
Kumot kayong lechon, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, grabe. Doon ka lechon. Happy birthday, oy.
Oh, kaon mo!
2 hours later.
Hey guys! Made it here in Oslo. By the way guys, when we reach Karkar, nihapon ko sa car kay init good kayo as in grabe, dili na ko matiis ang kainit. So diba, nagmotor mo ni Seth and wala ko kaagwanta. Kay grabe good kayo, bisag nag-sunblock na ko, grabe good kayo siya kainit. So mana siya, ni-transfer ko ano na car. Thank you so much good kayo Mr. JL. JL? JL ba? Diba, wala. Oo, bagay kayo wag na wala ko kailasangan pero nakisakay ko, oh my gosh. If you've been following me for quite some time now, you know na I'm so eager to travel good. Like, oh my gosh, you know what? Like, for 5 months akong mga travel kay mga na-cancel good siya. So, mauna siya na akong mga vlogs, sit-down vlogs lang good. And karon kay, I'm so happy kay finally, nakagawas ako sa Kumulongga. And I'm not alone, ha? I'm with new friends.
Yes, nakagawas namin sa Lungga.
Yes! Hi, sir! What's your name mo?
Ives.
Ives. So this is Sir Ives. So he's also a rider. Asa ba ng mga bike?
There, up there.
Oo nga siya.
Ano, bayot, bumuton.
Nice. Sana all. Pero anyways guys, let's go. Kay, I'm so excited. Actually, kani siya. Kaya ka i-develop pa ni siya. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Katinaw. Uy. Oh my God. Hey guys, so we're now here and tanawa, look at the ocean. It's calling me.
We're out here now.
Out here in the ocean.
Because there is inside there.
Hello, 1 million viewers.
Wow.
Happy birthday!
Why?
Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy
Developan niya siya. Asa ka niya siya dapit?
Mainit, OSLOB.
Sure,
Kita
nice.
mo sa pictures later.
Sa kanang koan, kanang ihang...
Concept.
Nice. Imuha lagi.
Dili lagi. Amo Dili ako aka.
Iso ba yan ang project?
Oh, lagi.
Gusto kaya na siya mo reply. Tinabangon kaya na akong
Wow ba?
Brad. Yes.
I'm gonna change, guys, and I'll see you later.
Bye!
Intenté descifrar el porqué ya no estás. Duele más entender que te vas sin volver. Ven, quédate aquí, quiero intentarlo, baby.
Kita, wala sa mata ko. I'm learning now how to cook.
You know, after 5 months, kay nakalaan ako. And actually, kanang kulba siya kay namgay mga checkpoint. Pero okay gani kay wala ra migisita. Pero kay abot lang marag nagduo siguro ang mga nagbantay na kanang couple mini Yusef. Which is tatawanan gud kayo. So this one, guys, at my back. So they will still going to develop it. It will take like 3 to 4 years before this will be finished. At nindot kayo siya dili ang tubig.
Ven, quédate que quiero intentarlo.
Unsa ngayon sa inyong group?
Kuan, Cebu Classic.
Kay nga namang klase kay tungod sa inyong
Classic look among motor.
Ya, sa Bisaya, classic with motor.
Custom ba? Cebu Classic, yeah, custom yapon.
customized na mga
Customized.
classics na mga
Mostly sa motor na mo is customized ita.
Pila na inyong members or like inyong group?
Dagdan na pero mostly na sa page. Ang active na most probably mga 50 plus.
So this is my B-roll master,
Okay,
guys.
so how to do B-roll.
Sige, go.
Step
How?
1, make a short sequence.
Okay.
Like mini stories. You have to create consecutive shots that tells a compelling mini story.
Yes.
Yes.
If you want to know more, just go to Steph's channel.
It's right over.
Here. Some of you are asking how I came here, kay dili na ba stricto or what. Actually, pwede naman good magligo like sa south or sa north, kay kuan naman GCQ naman. Ako lang gida kay COE and ID and company ID. So just in case kung madakpan ko or unsa, sumuli na lang sad ko ana. Kinsa may kanang hilig yun og kuan og kanang rides.
Akong papa.
Tapos kanang gidadala lang ganun nga. Cool kay sila, no, like
Why first ride pa niya?
ha?
First ride pa niya.
First ba?
No, kaya sila.
First pa na ako, kuyog eh. Pero man, lingaw ko.
Nalingaw ka. Sana all. Joke. Small to siya. O, sinong name?
Right ko.
Kokoy, si Kokoy.
Kokoy. Cool kay sila na mag-amahan kay Mark. Inanan lang banding. Dapat inanan yung banding, guys, not drugs or, you know. Yes,
Amen.
bless our Lord. Amen.
Happy birthday to you! Hello, what's up? Kikot to mo!
Mukhaon ko. Pasok sa dandri ni.
Pinilaw, may pasayan, look, guys. So, mura na, oy. Mura to siya. Mukha na ko, guys.
El corazón va latiendo por ti, me suerte na.
Hey guys, so manakog kaon, guys, and I'm going to wash up now. So I'm done washing up, guys. And munaog ko dito kay mabalik mi dito sa kuan kay napaman sila dito. Look at this, guys, oh. Mom na siya ang kanang inanaon, oh. Joke.
Pang Korean style.
Hi guys!
Thank you so much.
This is the E2 shop.
That's from Lee's Travel Shop. Thank you so much.
The redness of the pinkiness.
Next time, manguha tagkuan di. Utong.
Oh.
Oo, daghan kayo. Sana all.
Sana all. What can you say about this trip?
Yeah, it's same as usual. Walang plano.
Wow!
Because we plan and then never happen.
And now it happens.
Yeah. Again and again. Next time will be north and come with us.
Guys, alimuot kayo. Tanawa ko na.
Limuot.
Oh my God. So hard. Yeah. Unsa yung name ani?
Twinkle Toes.
Ha?
Twinkle Toes.
So ikaw, unsa yung mong name ani?
Lorenzo.
Lorenzo? Nagagad na sila mga name. Imo ha, sir?
Scrambler.
Si Scrambler? Si Scramble.
Mine.
How about you? Unsa yung mong name ani?
As you can see, it's all black. So, black member.
Not Blackie? So imo ha, unsa yung name ani?
Boo.
Boo? Hi,
My baby
my
Boo.
boo. So maya sila guys, this is the name of the group, Cebu Classic.
Yeah.
So invite everyone to
Please invite everyone to your friends and your families and relatives. Yeah, thank you.
shy type. So time to go now guys, and karon kay magsakay ko sa car lang, dilo ko magsakay dito kay basin do ka daw ko and para maka-rest ko. Bala na to si Seth. Sorry Seth. Nakoy tigpaypay. Oh. Grabe oy. Kay tanong mo, I'm so sweaty.
Yeah, sweaty lang. Sweat.
Sir Ives, asa man mo next inyong kuan?
Maybe at Singapore.
Wow! Sana all!
Singapore maybe.
Guys, Singapore ko na guys, magbike lang.
Yeah, the bike. And then tricking. Baka malisod sa kwarta. Yeah, tricking na lang.
Tikuan. The father and son.
Oh, kalami.
Nice kayo, nice.
Tapos pwede ka mo mag-ano, like, fist bump. Kalami.
Ay, sana all.
Hindi ko na, messenger na lang.
Kani kay makita din mo sa YouTube. So na guys, that's why we can go here. Okay, we have DOH frontliners. Hoy, Safi. Ayaw ko i-copyright sa kung kuan ha, akong mga pictures ha.
Dili. Basta ayun lang ko ipabarangay.
Basta ni-copyright ko nimo sa mga pictures.
Ay, basta way barangay.
Sabihin mo! Salamat! Wawawi! Ayaw na, cut na.
Tapos,
Kasayang kay sang Swiss ba? Usara mo sa kasakay.
Dili? Oh, sorry.
tapos,
Ay, digay, mahugo.
Di man magpalargahon, God.
So I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. So my Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. So yes guys. And also shout out to all the riders in Cebu. So I'm so proud of you guys kay dili gud siya lalim na mag-rides like sa kainit pero enjoy man siya. At least na-experience na ko ganina. But mo lang na siya, marag dili na ko kaya ang kainit. So believe good kay ko sa inyo ha. So mura to siya guys, and always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creation and seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!